Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Hope everyone is doing well. I am your friendly neighborhood auntie and I have a brand new palette to share. This is Sunrise by Huda Pro. I bought this from China, and if you're not comfortable watching this video, please skip on to my next video. But do subscribe to us and press the bell button so you get a notification every time a new video is uploaded. Personally, I have never used a Huda Beauty product before, and this will be my first time. At the point when I was ordering to bring in these palettes, I had no idea that it will be a Huda Pro item. After I have received it and then done some research, I realized it looks exactly like how the Huda Sunrise palette looks like. It even comes with the concealer. And someone who's not from the beauty industry would probably not be able to tell you that this product is made in China, because packaging wise it looked exactly like how the Sunrise palette by Huda Pro looks like. And I was unable to find the exact price of this palette in Singapore, but based on the prices of her other products, I found that a original Huda would cost anything between 55 to 80 Singapore dollars with taxes. I will be selling this on our friendly neighborhood shop and retailing it at $18.90 without shipping. On top of that, I will be actually giving you a free 5-piece brush set as a gift. If you think you'd like to save some money yet look fab, then shop this palette with us today. Also, we deliver to Dhaka and Chittagong now, and if anyone is keen to get it, try it out, please drop us a DM or shop with us directly. I will share all the links in the description box below. Also, 10th October is coming up, so do keep a lookout for sales and promotions happening at our online store. Then lastly, thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us today, and do remember to subscribe to our channel as we have more interesting items and opinions to share with all of you. Take care, be safe, God bless. Bye bye.